we're talking about cyber insurance, what we're really talking about is comprehensive. There are some really bad cyber insurance kind of like policies you can get, and I'll mention those in a minute, but a really good one has a lot of good coverage. It's not just coverage of like, does it pay for the ransom? Just everyone wants to think about, but it covers a lot of things you may not have thought of before, like legal expenses, data restoration, things like privacy regulation. This is a big one because now when we have data exfiltration where bad guys steal your data and hold your data hostage too and threaten to leak it, every state in the country now have regulations around this. Canada does, the EU does. And so this becomes a nightmare and bad guys use that to their advantage. And so what does that look like? Where do you find the specific state requirements? How and who do you notify? When do you notify? These are things that people are like, I'm not prepared for. Same thing with like credit monitoring, income loss. It's a whole bunch of things that go into this. And so a good policy really is comprehensive. And if you really want to know like how valuable it is, go talk to Robert Chiaffi. He is one of the co-founders at Progressive Computing, and he can speak firsthand to just how much a cyber policy helps. Although it's not a panacea, it doesn't handle everything.